Karnataka Game of Thrones rages on as Chief Minister Siddaramaiah comes out to give a hint. I am here to stay. Presented 16 budgets, will do the 17th too. This is Chief Minister hinting that he will be remaining Chief Minister as well as the present. He will be there to present the very next budget at this given point, and this is what we are learning at this given point, wherein today is November 20th, which marks 2.5-year tenure of the Congress government and Siddaramaiah as Chief Minister. That's the exact date. Siddaramaiah, in an event, asserted that he will be presenting the next 17th budget of his career as well. Let's quickly take a listen to what exactly has been said by him.
Siddaramaiah presented a most pragmatic budget of the Illappā. 17 budget consider, 16 budget consider. Next 17 budget consider.
Nagarjun Dwarkanath joins us on the broadcast for more details. Nagarjun, what this current situation is such, we're seeing very different narratives coming in, but all very veiled at this given point. No direct comments being made about the Game of Thrones, but yes, both DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah seem to be quite potent and staying upon their own remarks as to who shall remain the Chief Minister.
Well, that's true. In fact, starting from today, you will see a lot of muscle flexing and posturing from both camps, because today marks the 2.5 years of Siddaramaiah government, and officially what the DK Shivkumar camp says is that this is the time then Siddaramaiah should vacate and DK Shivkumar should become the Chief Minister. And Siddaramaiah even in yesterday says that he's here to stay, and he says that I have presented 16 budget and will go ahead and present the 17th budget too, and the 17th budget will be presented only in March 2026 and for the next financial year, and which means that for the next 3 to 4 months, Siddaramaiah wants to be
right. So both sides seem to be very firm and pressed on the fact that either sides will be continuing, and at this given point, this is the entire dialogue that's coming in. These are the hints coming in from both these leaders about what happens to the Congress government at the end of these 2.5 years of them being in power in the state.